Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel I'll show you how to set up or create a server for Forge. So here's my mod pack, yes. Find the mod pack you need and click the download server pack button. You'll get this zip file, which you unpack with right-click extract all. Then you'll have this file remaining. Here click on server start server bat. A console will open and it'll process for a long time. When it reaches the EULA, type true here. Press enter. Then it will continue working and we wait for it to start up. Now the server has started for me. As you can see, the launch process took us 319 seconds. I'm going into Minecraft multiplayer. Adding a server. Our local server address will be localhost. For the name, let's use local connection, for example. And then we connect to it. I don't have NeoForge installed, but the server has started. There, I just need to install NeoForge. But the server is already running on my computer. This has been with you. Goodbye, everyone.